Ah, that's the camera, that's the lens. Hi guys, this is Filipina British EyeStory, and look, I've got a box here. So what's inside? What is inside? I'm wondering. Let's do it. And oh, oopsie. There's more to open here. Let me just see. That's it. Okay. Uh-oh. Wow. Wow. Look at that. So now we can take it off. So if I do this way, oh my God. That's so cute. And then what's this one? This must be the control. Let's open it. Wow, this is tiny. How clever is that? Oops. So this must be the control button. And then this is the one that's flying up. Filipina is gonna be flying soon. There must be an instruction here. Oh, wiring. These are tiny. It's very much flying soon. I need to give him a name. I need to give her a name, probably. What's the front looks like? that's how it looks like.